Alright guys, quick video. If you got the Xbox and the game stuck in there like that, it's a game inside this drive, there's an easy way to take it out. You need this strong, like a paper clip, or in that case I'm using the Allen key to do it. You got, if your drive is out, there's a hole on the side there, and so you need to be strong. You don't want to push it in, don't bend it, don't damage the inside the component. Or if in case it still is in the box, it's gonna be like that. It is the hole, it's gonna be like that, is it? So you need to find the hole on the side to push in, but you need to have a longer one. However, this is the way. The hole there, put the clip inside and just gently push it in, and the game it should come out and you can take it out. Alright, I hope this video helped. Subscribe, comment to help. Thank you so much for watching. K1 Repair Center.